Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to this new video on Conflux and the CFX coin. Wanted to update it because we had quite a nice bullish breakout yesterday, and we've been pretty bullish after that as well. So wanted to cover it. You can also see technically we are forming some higher lows. So just wanted to make a video on that, on my thoughts on if we can rally again. Can we get up to 25, 26 cents again, that kind of thing. And what's going on. So we'll cover that in this video. Before we get into it though, we'll start with fundamentals and then we'll take a look at the technicals. If you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the link in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find results. We opened our own signal trading group. You'll find results, but also how to join. So check that out if that's something you're interested in. We've been fairly profitable. Last week we had a win rate of 80%. But let's talk about Conflux now. So the big thing is, to start off with the fundamentals, is that, well, first of all, fundamentally the market around Conflux right now is not that bullish, which is not great, but all right, that's just the way it is. But apart from that, they did have a proposal yesterday, which basically is this. It's the CIP 107. So basically it proposes a deflationary mechanism that destroys a portion of stored collateral when a state is released in a transaction, improving the token economy and increasing the value of CFX. So without getting into technical details, it basically is a burn mechanism, right? They have some sort of a mechanism where you have to put up collateral if you want to store something on the blockchain, like an NFT. With this proposal, a part of that collateral would be burned, which is obviously bullish for Conflux. So that's why I think we were quite bullish. It started, I'm not sure, I think it actually started right here. So you can actually see that we were bullish after the proposal was announced. And that's the main reason we're bullish. I mean, it looks like, if you now take a look at the technicals, it looks like we're forming some sort of higher lows, right? Oh, excuse me, I'm dragging a fib away. It looks like we're starting some sort of higher lows. You can see a perfect third touch and also a break of the downtrend. So it looks quite interesting right now. The thing though is, and I want to remind you, is that the market around Conflux still is quite bearish, and that does not help. Because now our main resistance level is this level right here. Technically, it's like between 21.7 cents and 23 cents, but mainly I refer to it as 22.5 cents. That's really the strongest level. Breaking through that is going to be tough. And even though this is a great proposal, a burn mechanism, usually when it's announced, it's bullish, but then afterwards, sometimes there's still bullish momentum if the proposal actually passes. But usually if a proposal like this is brought up by the project itself, usually it does pass. All right, so we can kind of already, it depends on what the market thinks of it, but I think it will already pass. The big thing is that when it passes, can we break above 22.5 cents? That's what we need to do. Just purely looking at the technicals, that's what we need to do. If we get up there and we find resistance there, then we'll just continue the downtrend. We'll continue down to 19 cents and down to ultimately 17.5 cents. It might still take some time though to drop down all the way there, but it's just the general trend and direction of the market then. The big thing we're looking for though, and this should actually happen pretty quickly. I think this should happen in the next 2 days. Otherwise, I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. But what we do need to do is break above 22.5 cents. If we can do that, we'll find resistance at 24, but then we'll take that break retest and we can actually reach all the way up to 24.5, 25 and 26 cents again. Getting a full bull run because of just this burn mechanism proposal is, I think, not possible. If we get some new bullish news about Conflux, I don't know, some sort of a partnership with a huge Chinese company, then we can rally again, but that's not something I can predict. But that's my full analysis and my take on Conflux. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care.